Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So before we get started on how I show you how to use liquid foundation, the deepest color for contour, please hit the subscribe button, and please also don't forget to ring the bell. So let's jump right into it. Guys, so I wanted to hop on and show you guys I have been learning how to do contour different ways, and I've been coming up with different ways on how to get flawless foundation, and I picked this one up at my local drugstore. It's the CoverGirl Outlast Stay Fabulous 3-in-1 foundation, and it has sunscreen in it. It's the CoverGirl Outlast. So this is a liquid foundation, and I got it in the darkest color like I could find. The number is 875, and it says all day flawless coverage, lasting power of prime. So yeah, it was like $12.99, but I am going to show you. You could also do this with tinted moisturizer or CCTM, which is Synergen's color correcting tinted moisturizer. And before I start, I've done like half of my face makeup, and I used this this Neutrogena tinted moisturizer. You can get it at Target or Walmart. I'm not sponsored by any of these companies. So it comes with, it comes with a little pump, which is really nice and good, because it's just better. So I'm just gonna start out with, I'm gonna pump a little bit, and I'm going to start right here. See that? And I'm not even squirting it, because I just squirted it, and some of it went in the sink. Do you see that? Just lightly dab it. Just like that. I'm gonna go off camera, take a picture, and come back. Okay, sorry, I had to do that. So, now I'm going to do the other side, and I'm gonna do the same thing. You can just squirt it on there, but I've learned this trick is a little bit better, but both is easy, but see, I'm just squirting it out. Oh, I think I put it too high, but that's okay. I'm gonna squirt a little bit more, because I feel that side. Squirt a little bit. See how I'm just dotting it? Squirt a little bit. Now, for the fun part, I should have took a full picture off camera. Okay, sorry guys, last time I'm going off camera. So, I am going to take this powder Saucony Radiant powder brush, and also you could just start blending it, or you could do it by taking your finger, but I'm gonna show you. So see, just swirling it up back and forth. Do you see that? Amazing. This works if you get it right which I have been practicing. This is amazing. Like, it lasts all day. Like, this is a good little contour hack. Do you see that? Highlight too. Sorry. So I'm just kind of rubbing it back and forth, swirling it, making circles. So now this part, I'm going to use a damp Real Technique sponge. I'm just gonna pat it out with this. I found that the sponge works better for your forehead. I might have to add a little bit more. So, and now I'm going to take this Sakona Cash contour brush. This, and it's an angled one, I think. This is supposed to be for contour, but I found out that this brush works way better. So I'm going to finish on this side because now you don't want to let it sit for a long period of time on your face because it'll stay that way. So I'm just pinching it and going along just like that. And I think I got a little too much. So I might have to add some concealer right there. And I'm going on the top of my nose and on the sides. Then I'm going to take my Real Technique damp sponge and just kind of blend it all out. Do you see that? Amazing results. Like, flawless. I am in love with it. So, I am going, my nose is dark. Right there, you can see the highlight and the contour. So, I am going to finish up all of my makeup and come back with the end result for you guys. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result of showing you how you can apply liquid foundation for a contour, and it turned out amazing. I added some eyeshadow for highlight and it didn't really turn out, but this is so flawless. This way is so flawless. It stays, it lasts, it's amazing. So if you like how this turned out and you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and please also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so that you will be the first come, first serve to know when I post a new video every single time. So thanks for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up.